So here we are looking at a rational expression, and the first thing students do when they see this is they get a little nervous, especially because we have these restrictions here. And all these restrictions these are values that are going to make our denominator 0, and they're going to give us an asymptote in our graph. So don't panic. This is technically not part of what you're simplifying, but they have to show you that those restrictions are there. So we're simplifying, and again, in this case, we're just factoring. So you want to make sure you're only factoring factors and not taking things that aren't factors and trying to reduce them. Don't reduce terms, don't factor terms, only factor factors. So what we're going to do in this case is my first step is I'm going to factor out a negative 3x from both my numerator and my denominator. And as you can see here in my numerator and my denominator, I have this factor of negative 3x. And I like to take out the negative 3x because it leaves us with an a value here and here that's positive. And most students are much more comfortable factoring trinomials into the product of two binomials from when the a values are positive and not negative. So that's why I did that. Always look for that greatest common factor that you can take out of anything. It will make your factoring a lot easier in the long run. So we're not quite done yet because I have these two trinomials here, and I'm hoping that I have something else I can factor out along the way. So in this situation here, I factored out my negative 3x, and I'm left with these two trinomials that I then want to write the factors out, and I get the factor of x squared minus 3x minus 10 to be x minus 5 times x plus 2, and in the denominator I have that x plus 2 times the x plus 4. So the result is going to be that we are left with just this x minus 5 over x plus 4, okay, which is going to be our D solution here. And again, if you're struggling with factoring, use the clues in the answers that you're given, as well as if you factor the numerator and you're struggling with the denominator, chances are one of those terms is going to be in the numerator and the denominator as you start to factor. Good luck.